Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha. I want to bring you, as I do weekly, advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis. Okay, today's video will not be long. Last week, I took time to show you weekly, monthly charts to prepare you for end of the year and the beginning of next year. So today's analysis will not be long. So things will be just summarized. Okay, so remember, you can join our Telegram channels for free. The links are at the description of this video. When you click more, you see our links. Link to join our Telegram channel, links to open Bybit account for crypto traders, Binance account, Okex, all of them is there. Those links are free. Okay, and also if you're looking for a good prop firm, you can join TFT, the funded trader. Okay, TFT, the funded trader, they are doing well. They give you the chance to trade large amounts, 100k, 200k, 400k with little money, but have to pass their evaluation. Okay, so I have all the links. Remember, if you also want to learn how to trade using wave analysis, I'm good at that and I'll teach you well. And also, I also have time to teach you now. Time will come when I don't have time to teach. So by that time, maybe I'll be to do like others. I'll give you 3 months, 6 months, but now there's no limited time. Once you pay, I will teach you everything, even if you are slow learner. Even if it is 1 year, no problem, I will teach you and you will only pay once. So take the opportunity of the time I have now to learn from me. I only charge you $500 and I will have one-on-one teaching with you as many times as you need. So this kind of opportunity doesn't occur anytime. I know what I went through when I was learning. How do you will see a teacher who will give you one-on-one lesson more than three times, but I can give you as many times as you need. Okay, so if I looking for a place to learn, I think I'm the right person to teach you because to teach is in my DNA. Thank you. So let's go to business. DXY, you can see daily charts. I will be going to daily chart today, but to remind you, we are still looking for a new high. So now, this is 4 hours. First of all, we're looking for a drop towards 104.5, 104.7. After, sorry, between 105 to 104.7. After that, we begin to look for buy. When the buying begins, we now know how it will go. If you don't know how to buy from here, the best thing you will do is wait for the price to break this high. Okay, that's why I'm saying you need to learn, because a buy will occur here, but there's no way I can teach you or tell you how it will occur here. Unless you are in my student class, you remind me when it occurs, I will remind you. But for now, if you can buy here, fine. If you cannot buy here, wait for the break of this level. Okay, so we're looking for buy after a little drop. That's for DXY. EURUSD, same thing. You know, it is almost opposite of DXY. You know, USD is opposite of DXY. So a little move up, then the dropping will occur. So there's nothing much to explain there. The same thing, if you can buy from here, fine. If you can buy from here, wait for the break of this level. Okay, USDCAD. USDCAD. What are we looking for here? USDCAD. We are looking for buy. We are looking for buy. Here is our first target. After the first target, we now know what to do next. But for now, this is what we this is what we target first. The buying might continue, but for now, let's target this level first. USDCHF, USDCHF, the same issue. We target this level first. So buy will occur when market drops. So if you can buy from here, fine. If you cannot buy, you wait. And not a must that this buy will occur now. But going back to daily charts, we have gotten our drop. This is the required drop. I don't know if it will extend or not, but for now, we have gotten our required drop almost completed. So we are looking for a new high. But for now, let's watch this drop and buy. After that, we look for buy again. That will give us a higher move. Pounds USD. Pounds USD, the same scenario, a little move up, then we sell. Okay. The price will just move up a bit. We sell maybe 1.2, 1.22, 1.23, 1.24. We sell. So for now, watch for sale around here. If you know how to get the sale from there, AUDUSD, almost the same scenario. Last week, market didn't perform very well. Market was slow. So expect a volatile market this week. That's normally how it happens. When the market was dull in a week, the next week we likely experience volatility. Okay, so now same thing, move up, then the dropping begins. Okay, so using the USD, what do we expect? I'm expecting the market to move a little bit up, then the selling. If you can sell from here, fine. If you cannot, maybe when the selling begins, I will give you idea on when to enter. If you cannot enter around here, but you need to be in my Telegram group because I may not have time to make a midweek video. Okay, JP225. JP225, what do we expect on there? The same thing, market will move a little higher, maybe 28,600, 28,800 zone. Then the bigger drop will happen. If you can sell from here, fine. If you cannot, wait for the break of this channel, break correction, then you sell. EURJPY, EURJPY, what are we expecting also? Remember last week I told you that EURJPY, we are waiting for the market to drop to this level, then the buy will begin. It's a breaking the channel, the dropping have started, but the market wasn't fast as we expected. Nevertheless, we expect it to drop to this channel, or maybe to this level, either this level or here. But this is where I expect it to drop at this channel. This is what I expect to drop at this channel. Then from here, it will buy. So there's not so much second bias or alternative for now. Only the dropping. After the dropping, we update you for what to do next. You know, USDJPY, USDJPY. What do we have? Let me show you daily. We are expecting the price to drop to this level. Little drop, then we will likely get the price to 157, 158, 159, even 160. After that, the big drop will start. Maybe from there, we go down to 120 or thereabouts. But for now, let's focus on the next move. And the next move is this little drop, then a buy. So can you buy from here? It's up to you. If not, wait for the break of this level, then you can buy. Okay, so pounds JPY, what do we have there? The same scenario. We're looking for WXY to complete. So the dropping is what I'm expecting to drop towards 150, 160, 159, 158 before the next buy. So 4 hours chart is simple to trade. And of course, if you can, this is the next trade we are having when market opens. Even if it goes up a little more, the sale is almost confirmed. Okay, experience matters. Experienced traders will trade it anywhere from here. But if you don't have experience, wait for it to break this channel properly, then correction before you sell. Let's go to gold. Let's go to gold. Gold, what do we have to gold? Last week, I told you this is the next target. So market was so dull, it couldn't reach here, but I know it will still drop to this target. So for gold, let us wait to know how the market will develop. Certainly, we are coming down to 1700, 1690, 1680. By then, we know whether we are going up or down, because bigger time frame have to so that the gold is still drop. Okay, so when market is slow in movement, sometimes we can get confused. But I have seen so many experiences. So I'm still looking for new low on gold. Silver, the same thing. Silver, we are also looking for a drop to this level, a drop to 20.1, 19.6, 19.5 drop before we know what to do next. Platinum, the same stuff. I'm expecting platinum to go up to maybe 1020, 1028, 1025, 1020, then drop to 920, 910, 915, 900 or lower. After that, we watch for the next move. Okay, opportunity again. I'm looking for a new low, but you know, this is daily chart. It takes weeks and months to happen. So for now, we focus on the short time trade. We may achieve this next week, this WXY, because this is just WXY. Let me label it WXY. Okay, WXY. So this is what I'm expecting to happen. Maybe next week it will complete. So expect a further drop. US oil. US oil, what do we expect on US oil? US oil. Remember last week, I told you something about US oil that made me go back down to line chart. You know, one of the most important things in trading is knowing the structure and being patient. Don't try to trade every day. Don't try to trade every time. When you don't get a killer setup, you let it be. I didn't trade oil last week because it's trying to show me what I call indecision. Now, if oil will break this low, as I told you last week, then expect a further move down towards 52, 50, 48, 49. But the possibility of bouncing up from here still exists. You know, in Elliott Wave theory or strategy, wave 1, wave 2 can retrace 99.99% of wave one, but it can't go beyond the start of wave one. So this is the start of wave one. So maybe about 2 pips or 5 pips, wave two will go below it. But for now, this is still valid wave two until it proves otherwise. Now, it hasn't broken the level. This is the level, 76.24. Now, 76.53. So if price goes below 76.24, then this is no longer wave two. It will now become, let me just give you the lesson. It will not become a kind of WXY. For now, let's wait and see how it develops. Okay, let me go back to candlestick. So now let's go to other page. Okay, as I told you, this market will be short. I'm almost done because I will stop on NASDAQ. Then I will go to cryptos, but in a separate video. So on this one, daily candles suggest that we have a new low, but we follow the market one step at a time. As it develops, we watch, we forecast. Okay. For now, daily is showing we are still dropping. Okay, let's go down to 4 hours. 4 hours might be something else. Like this can be 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4, and 5. So it means the market can drop to this level and go up again before going down. But what is important? This selling is 90% sure. The market will likely drop to at least 113.18 before anything else. Now, let me give you a small lesson. When market opens and we see a sharp move, a kind of sharp move that will drop not slowly to this level. If it goes slowly, expect this. But if it drops very sharp, expect this. It means we are not getting a new high. But if it goes slowly, it means this is wave one, this is wave two, this is wave three, this is A, this is B, this is C. Then we get a new high. Not a new high, a new move up before this dropping. Okay. Remember, on daily charts, this move up doesn't change anything. But on 4 hours, it will seem as if it has changed anything, but not have it changed. The main trend is still down. But for now, wait for target this first. This is a very big trade, if you don't know. Almost trading already. Stop loss will be here, dropping will be here. So let's watch out for what happens when market opens tomorrow. Okay, that's the end of the video. Remember, as I told you earlier, join our Telegram channel. It's free. We share trade setup every now and then. If you want to learn, contact me privately, and I'll add you to VIP group. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.